Moments where both fighters stood their ground and traded. For a brief instant, it felt like the fight could swing either way. But Crawford never lost control. Even in those exchanges, there was a sense that he was one step ahead. He adjusted his angles, changed levels, and continued to invest in the body. The cumulative effect of those shots became impossible to ignore. Benavidez's movement slowed further. His guard came up more often, covering rather than countering, and Crawford noticed. That's what separates elite fighters from great ones, the ability to sense weakness, to recognize the exact moment when the balance shifts. Crawford saw it in Benavidez's eyes, in his posture, in the way he reacted to pressure. The confidence that had been there early in the fight began to fade. By the later rounds, the narrative was clear. Crawford was in control. His punch accuracy climbed, his combinations grew more confident, and his dominance became undeniable. Benavidez, now trailing on the scorecards, needed something dramatic. He needed a moment, one punch, one sequence, to change everything. He tried. In the championship rounds, Benavidez pushed forward with renewed urgency. He threw combinations, aimed for the head and body, searched for openings. But Crawford was ready. He stayed composed, blocking, countering, and responding with precision. Every attempt by Benavidez was met with calculated resistance. Then came the moment. It happened suddenly, but it had been building all night. Crawford closed the distance, drawing Benavidez into range. There was a brief exchange, a flicker of movement, and then it landed. A sharp, perfectly timed uppercut. It was a punch Crawford hadn't shown all fight. That's what made it devastating. Benavidez didn't see it coming. The impact was immediate. Before Benavidez could recover, Crawford